Which male animal gives birth? A. Crab. B. Seahorse. C. Lobster. D. Squid. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Seahorse. Seahorses and sea dragons are the only species in the world in which the male gets pregnant and gives birth. The female seahorse transfers her mature eggs into the male's brood pouch where they are fertilized. Their gestation period is usually lasting from 2 to 4 weeks. What is the surface temperature of Sun? A. 5778 kelvins. B. 6500 kelvins. C. 6900 kelvins. D. 7978 kelvins. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A. The surface temperature of Sun is 5778 kelvins. That is approximately 5500 degrees centigrade. Which is the richest state in India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the richest state in India. Tamil Nadu is the second richest state in India. Which gas is mainly present in LPG? A. Methane. B. Ethane. C. Butane. D. Pentane. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C. Butane. The major components of LPG are propane and butane. Some other hydrocarbons are also present, but they are in small concentrations. The mixture of propane and butane is flammable. Which country in the world has a maximum number of robots working? A. Japan. B. America. C. Russia. D. China. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A. Japan. Japan is the world's predominant robot manufacturing country, where even robots assemble robots. 47% of global robot production are made in Japan. What is a group of flamingos called? A. Pink. B. Leg. C. Snooge. D. Stand. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Stand. A group of flamingos is called stand because of their habit of standing motionless and resting for long periods, often on one leg. Study of tissues is known as A. Cytology. B. Histology. C. Pathology. D. Biology. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B. Histology. Study of tissues is known as histology. Raindrops acquire spherical shape due to A. Friction. B. Elasticity. C. Viscosity. D. Surface tension. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D. Surface tension. The surface tension of water pulls the surface of the drop equally at all points, thus produces the spherical shape having the minimum surface area. This flag belongs to which country? A. Peru. B. Russia. C. Brazil. D. Italy. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C. Brazil. This flag belongs to Brazil. Spoon-shaped nails present in which condition? A. Iron deficiency. B. Zinc deficiency. C. Magnesium deficiency. D. Calcium deficiency. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A. Iron deficiency. Spoon-shaped nails are soft nails that look scooped out. The depression usually is large enough to hold a drop of liquid. Often spoon-shaped nails are a sign of iron deficiency anemia. These are some foods rich in iron, which help you to overcome the iron deficiency anemia. If you like this video, share this video to your friends. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.